friends, welcome to Uttara Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. What's your favorite appetizer when you go to an Indian restaurant? One of my favorite appetizers is cauliflower 65, also known as cauliflower manchurian. I love this crispy fried cauliflower as my appetizer. Alright, I can't wait to show you all how to make this easy cauliflower 65 recipe. Check the description box below for the list of ingredients. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Cauliflower, 1 head. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Boil water with salt and blanch the cauliflower florets. Blanching cauliflower in hot water not only cleans the cauliflower but also gives nice texture to the cauliflower 65. Drain blanched cauliflower and set it aside. Heat oil in a frying pan. In a mixing bowl, add ginger garlic paste, red chili sauce, coriander powder, tomato ketchup, soy sauce, red chili powder, salt. This is optional. Orange food coloring, vinegar, rice flour, cornstarch, also known as corn flour. Mix well. Add little water and make a thick batter. Dip blanched cauliflower in this batter and fry in hot oil 2 to 3 minutes until the cauliflower becomes crispy and golden brown. Beautiful, drain cauliflower from hot oil. Repeat until all cauliflower pieces are fried. Garnish with green onions, onion rings, and lemon wedges. This smells amazing. Excuse me, friends, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a plate. Ooh, it would taste better if I squeeze a lemon piece. Yummy, friends! This tastes amazing. Even better than the restaurant ones. Seriously, friends, try this recipe and share your comments and feedback. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make it. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!